Today is the day na susunduin namin yung daddy niya sa airport. Are you excited? You're gonna see Dada? You're gonna see Daddy? Yay! Say yes! Yes! Yes!
Hi.
Dada! Daddy!
Love,
Love Daddy! Oh! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Yay! Today is the day na susunduin namin yung daddy niya sa airport. Are you excited? You're gonna see Dada? You're gonna see Daddy? Yay! Say yes! 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 Tell them I'm so excited. Yes! Yes! I'm gonna see Daddy. Daddy? You're gonna see Daddy soon?
Oh.
Yeah. You're gonna see Daddy. Yeah! What you got? Is that a toy? So, 1 week lang talaga siya. And ang bilis ng 1 week, guys. Diba? Ngayon araw din susunduin ko si Travis and mamaya alis kami. Diretso camping at off-roading kami agad. Diba? Buti na lang tawag nito nakapagpahinga siya bago siya tawag nito mag-flight. So, yun. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, Are you sure na gusto mo mag-alis agad pagdating dito? Sabi niya, he'll be fine daw. Hi! Say hi! Hi! Bungis-ngis ko na talaga, Ellie, ah. What? Can you say grapes? Steps. Gusto kapag sinasabi niya yung grapes. Can you say Kinsley? Kinsley. Marunong na siya magsabi ng Kinsley, eh. Can you say walk? Can you say jump? Jump. Like, jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, Ellie, can you sing, Ellie? Sing. You sing. Sing ikaw, dali. Sing. Oh, very good, ah. Kayo na bahala isip ng title. Oh, na-excite ako kung anong ni Ellie. Siyempre, baby pa siya, hindi niya pa alam na malayo yung daddy niya. Pero siyempre, 1 week niyang hindi nakita yung daddy niya. Sa phone niya lang nakikita or nakakausap. So, we'll see. And si Travis, sobrang excited na daw siyang mayakap at mahalikan na ang kanyang anak. Sabi niya kahapon, sabi niya, I can't wait to leave and see Ellie. Sabi niya, namimiss niya na daw. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We'll see you guys later. Tell them, see you guys later. Bye-bye. 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 Mwah. By the way, guys, pinrepair ko na pala yung mga dadali namin sa camping tomorrow kasi 2 nights kami doon. And chinarge ko na itong pang namin. Ito yung sa rooftop tent na yung parang ini-inflate na tawag niyan, na rooftop tent na ilalagay namin sa truck. First time namin siyang gagamitin ngayong camping. Sabi ko, try natin. Kasi maganda naman siya. So, ayan. Ayan yung niya, charger. Ay, yung panghangin. Diba? Ayan. Tapos, ayan yung gamit ni Ellie. Yung mga pagkain. Tapos, inanuhan ko na rin si Ellie ng pagkain kahapon. Meron akong dadalhing boiled egg. Meron ding applesauce, may fruits siya, may kiwi siya, may apple siya, tapos meron ding orange, tapos meron din siyang potato, tapos ewan ko may dadalhin din atang meat yung daddy niya para sa kanya or steak. Ah, daddy? So, ayan, para ready na kami mamaya at aalis na lang kami. Si Kinsey itadrop namin mamaya sa sitter. Susunduin na namin si Travis, no? Naka-land na yung plane nila and sabi niya mamaya-maya pa yung niya. Kasi palabas pa lang sila ng eroplano. So siguro mga 13:50 or mga 1:50. Pero malapit lang kasi kami sa airport, guys. So sabi niya no rush, take my time daw, ganun. So yun, pero gusto ko kasing agahan in case na maaga siya bumaba, nandun na kami. Kasi meron namang waiting area doon, pwede ako mag-antay para at least nandun na kami in case na kasi may time na ma-traffic yung yung daanan papunta ng airport. Kasi yung airport dito guys, busy lagi. Kahit na mga anong araw. May time lang siguro na minsan slow sila, minsan slow yung yung road papuntang airport, pero madalas busy yung airport dito sa Norfolk, dito sa amin. So yun guys, so we'll see kung anong reaction ni Ellie na makita niya ulit yung daddy niya for a week. I'm sure na siguro parang wala lang sa kanya kasi baby pa nga lang. So we'll see no guys. So see ya! Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa park and wait lot kasi hindi pa nakukuha ni Travis yung baggage niya. So medyo madami din nag-aantay. Ito si Ellie. Ellie! Parang ibang park and wait lot tong inanuhan ko kasi meron pa silang isa eh. Kaya bago sa akin sabi ko, dito ba talaga yun? Pero tama, park and wait lot. Kasi yung mga garage doon, pag mag-parking ka may bayad. So dito, saglit lang na pagpa-park para magantay sa susunduin mo. Tapos nandun na yung parang, ano bang tawag na nun? Yung arrival, iikot na lang ako doon. Tapos sunduin ko si Travis.
A few moments later.
Grabe, ang busy dito. Aww.
Hi.
Dada!
Ellie B.
Okay, babe.
Hey. Hey. Hi.
Aww. Welcome back! How are you?
Good. Come on.
Alright, welcome back, babe.
Yeah, it's nice here. It feels good. It's
Yeah.
really hot over there.
And then, we're going to...
She's staring at me.
Aww.
Baby.
You miss Dada?
Ellie.
She's like, I didn't see you for a week.
She's looking at me like,
Aww.
I know you.
I know. She misses you. She keeps saying Dada.
She's like, I know who you are.
Ang daming construction dito. I wonder what they're gonna build there.
Oh yeah. The flights aren't terrible.
Dami
but-
ring mga parking garage just in case na tawag nito. In case na gusto niyo iwan yung sasakyan niyo dito, ganon. Right? How much? I think $25, right? Per day, per night?
It just depends. Sometimes they have like special.
Might as well just do Uber, you know?
That's what Yolanda's doing. She's taking an Uber.
Holy cow, did you do highway?
Yeah.
That's busy. Just do back road. Did you try it?
No.
I can try the back road. So yun guys, sabi ko kay Travis, parang ang bilis ng araw kasi how many days, babe? 10 days, no?
Yeah, I was gone for 10 days.
It's like 10 days and then I
Did you
told
include
him
my
that
fly days?
I feel like it's so quick, but but maybe for
Just a
him
minute.
it's slow
Just
because
a minute.
he's working
Yeah.
and
We'll be home soon.
time is ticking slow.
We'll be home
It
soon.
depends on what they're doing
I
too,
know.
you know? Aww. Nakatingin siya kay daddy niya.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Ah, daddy?
What you doing?
Is that dada?
Hi.
Aww.
Hi, Ellie B. Ellie B. Ellie.
You miss Ellie, huh?
She's so funny. She's like looking at me.
Every time na mag-usap sila ng daddy niya sa video call, tuwan-tuwa yung daddy niya. Lagi yun siya after ng work, ganun. Maya kapag ka-break time nila, ganun. Pag may time silang pwedeng tumawag or pwedeng tatawag talaga siya, magchat-chat siya.
Staring at
Kanya,
me.
gusto ko makita
You
si
know who I
Ellie,
am,
ganun.
huh? Yeah.
Hi! You're looking at daddy?
She's
Hey,
like,
Dada?
where did you come from?
I know.
Where did you go?
You miss Dada? We need a new car seat for her. Kasi si Ellie kasi malaki na siya guys at mabigat na. Diyos ko po. Ang bigat na buhati nung niya. But we have 3 vehicles so we might need to buy 2. I know.
It's really testing my patience.
Kakawin pa lang Virginia, na stress ka na. Dahil sa
I
mga
love
driver.
you, Ellie.
Nasa unang kasi namin ng
I don't have the fast truck either, so I can't zip around them.
So anong magandang ma-recommend nyo guys na for toddler na car seat. Gusto ko kasi yung parang iniikot. Like the one that you can, the one that swivel, but is that the one that swivel?
You mean, yeah, sideways so we can pull her out easier?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, she's gonna test your patience.
that's fine. That's fine.
Careful. Just be careful. Don't tailgate her. They have kids in the
I
back.
don't think that's a kid, is it? Or is
It
that
is a
like-
kid.
Well, then they're endangering their kid.
I know. But you still need to be careful.
She's doing 20.
I know, but be patient.
I'll ride their ass so they get faster. You either push on. Maybe they should pull over and let me by. Like, if you're not gonna do the speed limit, you need to get off the road.
Kakauwi pa lang ng stress agad.
Look, now they want to go faster in a turn. Telling
So
you,
guys,
Virginia has the, other than Florida, Virginia has some of the worst drivers probably in the nation.
She's so mad.
Yeah, get out of our way.
She's looking at us like, what are you doing?
I'm looking at her like, what are
To
you
be
doing?
honest, she's very slow talaga.
She's a danger. She's cutting off traffic because she wants to do 20 on a highway.
She looks like a teenager.
Well, then she needs to get out of the seat. Either learn how to drive or get off the road. Oh, yeah. Hey, you know who I learned to drive from? Mama.
Yeah.
Mama don't mess around.
I learned from mom too.
Mama don't mess around.
Yeah.
Learn how to drive or get off the road.
If hindi namin maano si Ellie na mag-drive,
Oh gosh.
oh my gosh,
She's gonna be a good driver because she's gonna.
we're gonna send her to Michigan. Okay,
And
mom.
she's gonna have like four-wheeler side by side. She's gonna learn early how to drive. So by the time she gets into a car, it's gonna be. She's already gonna know the basics.
But you know,
forward,
I'm
reverse, park, whatever.
I'm very impressed with mom because she have the very long patience with me.
Me
And-
too.
No,
I
we
only-
always fight.
No, I only had short patience when you tried to kill me. Then my patience was
we
short.
we always fight, guys, every day. Kaya natatakot akong mag-drive
We only fought
because I
you-
always get nervous when you're in the passenger seat and
No.
you always like shout, yell.
Nope.
You know, kaya hindi ako makapag-focus
The only
and makapag-calm down.
I raise my
Makapag-
voice is when you put us in a dangerous situation. Then I had to raise my voice a little bit to make sure you would listen. Because you try to tell me how to drive and you're not driving right.
No.
Oh yeah.
I know you know what I feel, guys, sa mga Filipina dito na first time mag-drive tapos asawa niyo
Dada?
nagtuturo sa inyo, no?
Did you hear?
So grabe, it's
Dada.
very different. Tapos nung pumunta ako sa Michigan, grabe, sobrang
Daddy.
doon ako natuto. Yung makikita mo sa nanay niya na I know that na she gets frustrated but she's still calm down. Like we almost got into the ditch and then mom is still, okay, Jessa, you have to. Yung malapit na kami sa may parang bangin, pero grabe ang calm pa rin ni Mama Karen. Kasi sabi niya,
I'll grab the steering wheel from you.
sabi niya kasi first time ko there and I need to learn. Sabi niya, kailangan daw habaan yung page. Tignan mo to. Sabi niya, kailangan daw talaga mahabang patience kapag ganun, yung nagtuturo kayo sa first timer pa lang, ganyan.
It takes time to learn
Nakaka-stress,
from
pero
scratch.
oo. Yeah, first time ko matuto dito.
But you only learned the basics because I brought you into a big reserved
Parking lot. And I hit
Many cones.
many cones.
Many
I hit
cones.
many cones, so it takes a while for me to
But
be
you figured it out.
confident. Yeah.
You figured it out, and
The hardest part for me learning is the parking. Like when I
And
park, it's always like
you
crooked.
drove the four-wheeler, so that helped with your
Yeah.
motor skills, like left, right, up,
Right.
park, reverse, how to reverse into a spot. Like, didn't you drive the blue truck?
Oh yeah, I did. The Scout,
Yeah.
I did. I
Yeah.
think that was the first vehicle I drove.
Yep. And that's a big truck, so
Yeah.
starting off big.
Yeah. So, tawag nito, yun, first time ko matuto dito, wala talaga akong kaalam-alam, ayun. So, bago ako naging confident mag-drive, yun nga, siguro mabot ako ng mga almost a year din. Siguro 6 months natuto na ako, pero pag kasi unang tuto mo, hindi ka pa talaga yung parang magiging malakas ang loob mo. Kaya ayoko talaga dati talagang mag-highway, ganyan. Kasi mabilis. Alam mo yung mabilis yung takbo para lumilipad. Kaya ayaw na ayaw ko mag-highway talaga noon. Pero sabi nga nila, you learn by doing it. So, kaya yun, natuto rin ako. Lalo kapag ka nag-off-roading kami, dala ko yung jeep. Tapos siya sa truck. Kaya yun, doon ako natututo.
You still want to leave tonight for camping, right?
I don't mind.
Or do you want to leave in the morning?
I don't care, babe. Whatever you want to do.
Well, do you want to camp tonight, or do you want to leave it super early in the morning?
Are you tired or what?
I mean, I'm fine.
Do you wanna rest for tonight and then what do you think?
I mean, it's either
Because you're gonna drive.
It's either we drive now and camp tonight, or we drive early morning and then we camp only Saturday night.
I don't know. It's up to you. Because you're driving, so
I don't care either way, really.
okay, I'll leave it up to you. So yun guys, pauwi na kami and then later magka-camp kami. Well, si Kinsley naman. Si Kinsley, tingnan natin kung anong magiging reaction ni Kinsley, no? Makita ang kaniyang daddy.
Yeah, we'll get Ellie out of the car seat so she can actually say hi.
Kinsley misses you too. Like every time mag-video call yun, alam niya pag boses
She's like,
ng daddy niya.
She's like, where's
Nasa sunroom siya ngayon. Nilagay ko ulit sa sunroom kasi
where's my dad that beats my butt?
panay siya. Panay siya lick ng ano niya. Panay dila-dila ng ano niya, guys.
We might have to spray her foot with
I did put
with the spray.
apple cider. No, not the spray
The
though.
spray is an antiseptic.
So yun, nilagay ko siya sa sunroom kay mabaho yun, di ba? Para hindi mangamoy sa loob. Pero pinapasok ko siya ng gabi kasi si Kinsey, ano yan si Kinsey? Barker. Anay tahol pag gabi. Lalo pag may onting ano lang, guardian dog kasi sila. Pag may onting marinig lang sila na hindi kaaya-aya sa pandinig nila, yun, tatahol sila. Pero umaga, hindi siya natahol. I think she barks a lot at night than, you know, than
Well, she
daytime.
thinks she sees or hears something.
I know.
Or she just barks at air. I don't
Air.
know. She just barks
But
at
she's a
air.
good girl. She's very gentle. She's very...
But we take her to the dog sitter and she don't bark.
I know! She was like, the lady, the pet sitter
It could be
said,
because she's protecting us.
she's protecting us. Ganun kasi yung parang instinct nila, nandito sila sa bahay. Yun yung parang trabaho nila, protecting Ellie, protecting the fewer parents or whatever, protecting their house. Is that your dada? Daddy!
Hi.
Daddy! She's so happy.
Oh my god.
Is that your daddy? Oh! Daddy! Love daddy! Oh! Love daddy!
She's hugging me.
Oh my gosh! You miss Dada?
Love?
Love daddy, love, love! Ellie, hug daddy, hug! Hug daddy! Oh, oh so sweet. She's very sweet.
She's like told now.
Kahit tita niya pagkausap niya sa phone, sabi kong ihag ang phone. Hinahag ang phone. That daddy? Aww. Is that daddy?
Love?
Daddy! Hug daddy!
Hug?
Hug!
Hug daddy?
Hug daddy! You wanna walk? Hug mo si daddy!
Yeah.
Aww. Hug daddy, hug! Busy ka kakatingin sa ano.
What you see? What you see?
Aww. Okay, let's go. We'll see Kinsley.
Little bug
Let's
bite
go see
there.
Kinsley. I'm hungry, babe.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh, what about the fried rice? Sounds good.
Hi. What you doing? What's that? Car.
Car.
You say car.
Car.
Say car.
Is that a car? Yeah,
Good
car.
girl.
Tree.
Car.
You say, yeah, that's a
Look,
car.
Car.
There's a cars. More cars. Okay, let's go. Huntuwa, oo. Mahilo. Hi daw, hi. Hi, Daddy. Go see Kinsley. Dali, go see Kinsley. Where's Kinsley? Daddy, go see Kinsley. Nasa labas si Kinsey. Ayun, oh, nag-antay na ang palanggo. Oh, hi! Oh, look at her. She miss her daddy. Oh, you miss daddy?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she's shedding, guys.
I know.
Naglalagas yung buhok niya. Maya-maya kami vacuum. Alright, okay, that's enough. She's so excited.